Where is my camera when I need it? Where is my good camera when I need it? Take a look at this, folks. Flying above my field right now. That is the B-17 bomber from World War II, Sentimental Journey. I don't know if you can see it in this damn camera. Probably not. That is one gorgeous airplane. Sentimental Journey. One of the very few flying B-17s still this day. And she did fly bomber missions. I've taken a tour of her. She did fly bomber missions in World War II. Beautiful aircraft. Who knows, they're probably going to an air show somewhere. What's today? Thursday? Yeah, they're probably flying to an air show in California or something. Sentimental Journey. Thanks for the flyby. Speaking of flybys, let's give the Valiant another run for the day before the winds pick up, because they always do, although it's not too bad so far. Alright, we got flaps in takeoff mode, camera's running, I hope. Yeah. What do you know, camera's rolling. Flaps down. They're on check. Elevator, rudder. Alright, taking off and doing a right turn, everybody. Don't see too many of these. Nice. And back to our left. Sweet. I mean, she flies so good. Valiant, you are gorgeous up there. Nice big loop. Big loop. Sweet. Low pass. Yeah. Yeah. Sweet airplane. Very sweet airplane. Not that loud bucket of bolts that's flying up in the air that you hear. The one flying that you see right there, swooping up. Yeah. Yeah, baby, Valiant. You are doing nice. You are flying good today. Let's hope I can keep you in the air. You never know. Very sweet. Okay, so